When you think of a person who is overweight, the first image that comes to your mind is one that seems to have poor health. This is because of what may be considered bad habits, like being a heavy eater and not exercising. But is this the case? Can you really blame a person who is overweight for their poor health? Well, you will find out if you watch this video till the end. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel, The Daily Health and Weight Loss. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. Studies have shown that some overweight people are actually healthier than others. It may be true that they are living a healthier lifestyle, but can they be blamed? There are bad habits that are common in overweight people, and there are good ones. Let's look at some of these bad habits and see if they really affect health. First of all, if you are a heavy eater, it is important to realize that this is not healthy. We do it so often. We go to a fast food restaurant, order food, and eat a lot of it before we go home. We don't take time to think about what happens after consuming too much food. We just get in the habit of overeating. Overeating is not good for anyone, no matter how big he or she is. There are many studies that have shown that when you are obese, your chances of having heart disease increases dramatically. However, if you are an overweight person who doesn't have heart disease, your chances of overcoming obesity problems are much better. Because one of the dangerous diseases that result from overweight is heart diseases. When you put on weight, your body has to work harder to store and digest food as much as possible. This results in a slow metabolic rate. Slow metabolic rates are bad because it means your body is working overtime to make up for what you are losing. As you get older, your metabolism slows down even further, and this means that you are getting less nutrition than you need. Some people may not realize that they are engaging in bad habits when they are overweight. They don't realize that they are drinking more alcohol, for example, or eating more junk food. These behaviors do nothing to help them lose weight, but they have been doing them for years. This is bad for their health because these actions make them feel more hungry and they eventually gain more weight. Excessive smoking is unhealthy behavior. It does more damage to your body than most people realize. If you are an overweight person, you need to find a healthy routine and stick with it. You might be surprised at what a healthy routine can do for you. One of the best ways to help yourself avoid these bad habits is to learn from those who have overcome them. There are many books available that can show you ways to avoid bad habits, as well as ways to stay healthy while you are being overweight. Learn what the right way is for you. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of unhealthy habits that cause weight. Please drop your comment below telling me what you think, and if you are enjoying this video, please do not forget to like and share. You might be interested in learning about how weight loss affects your health. Weight loss can lower the risk of developing many serious illnesses such as diabetes and heart disease. However, people with weight issues need to understand that they must set realistic goals before they attempt to lose weight. If they don't set a goal that they can actually accomplish, they will not know if they are losing the right amount of weight. Goal setting is one of the best ways to stay healthy while you are trying to lose weight. If you set a goal that you think you can reach, you will not feel guilty if you lose a little weight, and it is much easier to keep that lost weight off. Exercise is a very important thing to do as well. If you are overweight, it is very important to have a regular exercise program. Even if you have never had a long walk before, you can do a couple of minutes every day. You should try to do as much as you can and add more. You need to know that knowing how to lose weight doesn't have to be a struggle. You can set realistic goals and you can do a lot of damage to your health if you let it be a struggle. The first step towards overcoming the bad habits of overeating and weight gain is to learn as much about the things surrounding these issues as you can. Bad habits are everywhere. Each of them is not so bad on itself, but if they pile up on top of each other and you don't make a real effort to change them, you are quickly going down the road of bad health habits. If you don't do anything to change them, you could end up being overweight for the rest of your life, which could also be harmful to your well-being. Bad living habits are the main cause of unhealthy weight gain. As people go on consuming unhealthy foods, they fail to change their lifestyle factors. They never really eat right, and because they are eating too much, they feel bloated, so they just eat more. And with each passing day, their weight only increases. Conclusion: to get rid of these bad health habits, we need to take control of our bodies. We need to eat right and get plenty of exercise, and we need to quit making excuses for what we eat and start doing things for ourselves that are going to improve our health. Once we start seeing results, we will want to keep changing unhealthy behavior to healthy ones, and this will continue until we reach our weight loss goals. This is a very powerful way of changing the way we live and become healthier, and is also a very effective way of getting our weight loss goals accomplished. Thank you for watching our video on unhealthy habits that cause weight. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.